You guys are so unfair.
Or I can just record it now like I am.
Use them.
We should be playing no items, but we're playing with Smash Ball for some reason.
You want to take Smash Balls off? No, I like Smash.
Okay, Final Destination or Battlefield.
Who keeps hitting back?
I hit back. Let's take a vote on this.
No Dragon Parts.
Yes, Dragon Parts. Do you want to be random?
No items or Smash Ball. No items or Smash Ball. That's my.
I'd rather have a Smash Ball.
Smash Ball or no items.
Smash Ball.
Alright, do Smash Ball.
Wait, do you want to be random?
Yeah.
Okay.
Battlefield.
Battlefield versus Battlefield. Like that. Okay, that works. Oh yeah, that one.
You should see some of my evil custom stages.
What am I? Kirby! Sit!
Take advantage.
God, which Kirby's which?
Oh no, why? I hate when two Kirby's are on.
Hey, who's gunning?
Suck it!
Who's Bowser?
Hey, go after the green ones. Not me.
I was thinking Team Attack isn't on.
We should have used names. Or more names.
Joey has a name.
Go for the Kirby that's named Joey. That's not me.
Shit.
Hey, suicide!
Shut up!
What are you doing?
Shut up!
How are you doing?
Shut up!
Maybe still got the Smash Ball.
Get out of here! Die. Joey, die! You should die.
I can beat that.
Continue to take down Bowser.
Sit down.
Ah!
Like it hurt. Okay!
Wow.
Y'all are not about to double team on me. It's just not happening.
Double team you, bro. Go commit suicide again.
Shut up!
Wombo combo.
Have your feet.
100.
Hey, Falco!
Bowser.
Whoa, God, where am I?
In there somewhere.
I'm the homing attack master! Suck it.
Spamming energy rays.
Get it! Go! Go!
Got it!
Go!
Got it! Excuse me! Excuse me!
This is why it's no Smash Ball.
Yeah.
Oh,
You're being a cheater.
Stop your whining. We had a vote!
Cheater.
We had a
That's the only
vote!
way you can win
We
is
had
by
a
cheating.
vote.
By committing suicide, you cheater.
Save on. After the match, you, me, no items. One-on-one.
Right, I'm gonna do it. Wait, here it goes, Kirby side! Oh no! Come on, I'm gonna do Kirby side.
Hey, I only have one life, just saying.
Kill Sonic!
Yo!
Awesome. Wait, that's not good.
Wait.
Oh my God!
Sticker! Someone get a sticker!
Ah no!
Get the sticker!
Crap!
Oh my God, it's a one-on-one.
It's not one-on-one.
It's a one-on-one on one-on-one.
It is. And I'm still in it somehow!
No,
There
you
goes
can do
Bowser!
it, Joey, you can do it. Get it.
Let Sonic do it.
Nope! No,
Yes!
I
call a rematch.
I call rematch with no items.
No!
No items.
You guys voted!
No items.
It's over!
I vote.
Who votes rematch?